Oman was founded in 2004. After more than a decade of steady development, it has grown into a leading manufacturer of intelligent office furniture, integrating design, R&D, and production. Oman adheres to the craftsmanship philosophy of precision in work, beauty in practice, and simplicity in technique, continuously innovating to create a range of mid to high-end office furniture products that have earned a strong reputation in the global market. In 2009, Oman established a warehouse and logistics service center in Dallas, Texas, USA, and an automated production base in China. The company introduced a GEMA electrostatic powder coating line from Europe and developed 5 specialized intelligent automated production lines for office furniture. At the same time, Oman Electric was founded to specialize in the R&D and manufacturing of power management systems, further expanding Oman's large-scale intelligent office furniture production base. Through these efforts, Omni has taken root and thrived as a growing force in the office furniture industry. Omni has fully implemented scientific management and successfully introduced the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. The company has also obtained certifications such as the China Environmental Label, the 10-Ring International Standard Certification, and EEO Customs Certification. The company has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, has filed over 40 patents, and through the introduction of SAP, has comprehensively enhanced its digital management system. Throughout its growth, Yangzhou Omni has remained committed to its founding mission to create intelligent, eco-friendly work platforms for individuals, families, and organizations, and to pursue its vision of enabling joyful work and life through innovation. By combining the classic craftsmanship of traditional Chinese furniture with advanced global technologies, Omni continues to seize the opportunities of the 5G digital era, embracing entrepreneurship, innovation, and the creation of a smarter future.